Hello, in this video, we will show how to extract substrings in R using a function called substr. So next we will go to RStudio and you can download this file from this link. And actually this is a website, rdatacode.com. You can go to this website. Then choose the menu download and you can find the link to R programming. And this website also provides Python and R training on weekends. If you are interested in, and thanks for donation. If you want to do me a favor for buying a coffee, you can go to this PayPal link. So next we go to RStudio and choose this file, section 3. You will find the place for extracting substrings using substr function. So this function usually will set an object, and this object will be the one which we will extract substrings from. Then we set the starting place for the character and ending place. So it will be quite straightforward if we use substring statistics 1 to 4, then the result will be this 4 character 1, 2, 3, 4, because R programming start from index from 1, and this include the first and the last place. Then we can also choose the last 4 characters from 7th to the 10th character from this string. So it will be TICS. And if the object is not a single string, for example, it is a vector, then R will use substring for each element of the vector. So the result will be a vector with the same length of the original vector, but the element is a substring of each corresponding element in original vector. So for example, we create a vector SS. So this vector has 3 elements. Then we can use substring SS13, for example. So the result is a vector of 3 elements, because the original vector has 3 elements, and each element has 3 characters now, from first to the 3rd character of the original vector's corresponding element, right? So this one is MOE, this is LAR, and this is CUR. And the next example, for example, we can also set the starting place using n character of a vector, of a vector's element. So here n character of a city, because city is a vector of 3 string, 1, 2, 3. Then n character will return the number of characters for each element of this vector. For example, you will run this first, then n character of the city is 12, 15, 10. So we use starting place n character of city -1 and ending place n character city. So which means we will choose the last 2, because this is the length -1 to the length, so last 2 character of each element in the original vector. So we can use the substring cities, n character cities -1 to n character cities. So the result is a vector of 3 elements, because the original vector has 3 elements. The 3 elements, and each element has a length 2. and actually is the last two characters of the corresponding elements in the original vector. Thanks for watching.